Hey everybody, Terry here. Just wanted to show you a week or so ago I purchased the Horizon Hobby UMX PT-17 plane, primarily for my RC Club's indoor flights. It's a pretty neat plane. It's 4-channel, ailerons, elevator, rudder, and so anyway, I received received it about a week ago, and here's the original plane here. Now I actually have it bound to my transmitter. I'm going to remove this top wing to show you the issue I had. Of course, there's the flight board and the servos. Anyway, she is bound up. I'm going to go ahead and move you can see the rudder, elevator. Now let me do the ailerons. Not moving. In fact, at one point, this is called a linear servo, was doing a high-pitched whine. As you can see now, she's doing nothing. Again, she's bound. I've got throttle. You can hear the gyros working. This is gyro stabilized. Here's rudder, elevator, but again, there's no ailerons on this. But I was hoping it would do the high-pitched whine, so that's the servo there. Apparently the servo's probably dead. In fact, you know, I noticed the problem. I have it unplugged. But anyway, here we go. Alright, there we go. You can hear that servo's going nuts on the aileron. So let me go ahead and shut this off. So I went ahead and I posted a video, got a hold of Horizon Hobby, and in 3 days they sent me a brand new plane and said I could keep the old one. And by the way, I did test this and it works fine. Cute little plane, about $99. I bought this from an authorized eBay seller. So again, this video is just simply kudos to Horizon Hobby. It goes to show you when you spend a little more money and you deal with an American company, you're more likely to be backed up on their product. So again, just a complimentary video to Horizon Hobby. I may even try to fix this. That linear servo costs about 13 bucks. I'll either use it for parts or fix it. So anyway, this is Terry. We will talk to you guys later.